Go back up.
It's the Washingtons, and y'all already know. We got family coming out, crowds and new doors. Understand this from a distance. You never missing us, cause I think we are glistening. You feel me? Okay, understand this. You see Big World and you see Miss. Yeah, we call this one Miss Jerry Mack. Got that white status. Any nigga want it better, can I have this here? Because you gotta have the good dollars. I ain't talking about gold digging, but you gotta make it holler. I understand it's cash on one side of the family. We call it Washington status. That we cannot add it.
It's Miss Jerry.
Miss Jerry.
Oh, Miss Jerry.
Miss Jerry.
That's my name. Is Miss Jerry.
Miss Jerry.
Oh, one more time.
Jerry. Miss Jerry.
Yo, y'all people think just because I go to church and all that stuff, don't play with me because I'm telling you I'm not up. But you not gonna keep on trying to treat me and you think it's cool. Baby, don't you know I just left high school? I'm on bigger and some type of better things. Don't play with me because you not gonna shack up without a ring. Yo, you must put it on his finger. I promise you because I hit you with the linger.
Okay, I told ya.
I'ma hit with the banger. Ain't gon' pop you, I mean, I'm have your whole slinging. I'ma have them making money cause I'm making dough. I got a lot of dough to make them feel.
The man say he got hoes for days. Working Fifth and Cicero, we got hoes for days. Yes! Understand this from a distance. We
That's
got
the only
hoes
one
working.
that's getting me. I'm getting commission along with the hours, and you know that it's cool. Yo, my name is Jerry, and I'ma keep it cool. Yo, mama, and she know she talking about a ham. I tell you, dang, it's cool. It's Miss Jerry, yeah, man. Miss Jerry. Miss Jerry, that's my name. It's Jerry. Miss Jerry, I tell you the same. Jerry, Miss Jerry. Tell me who Miss Jerry. Miss Jerry.
You cutting ham in the kitchen. I want some. Baby girl, I heard your fried chicken. I want some. And matter of fact, go in the bra and pull out ducks for days. I want to drive a car. Yes. Miss Ann, can I have son? You understand I'm your status grandson. Cooking that food, getting me healthy. Hold up, chick, yeah, I think we really wealthy.
It's Miss Ann.
Miss Ann.
What's her name?
Miss Ann with the ham.
Yo.
Miss Ann with the ham.
Yo.
Miss Ann with the ham.
Yo.
Cut.